morning guys, day 2 here in camping site and I'm freezing. It's cold outside guys and my beanie is big, so it keeps me warm though. Beanie, it helps a lot to keep your head warm because it's still freezing early in the morning. It's 6:58 in the morning, so it's still cold outside. But pangalawang araw na namin to dito sa camping site guys. Nasa loob ako ng tent kasi nga malamig pa eh. So malaki yung tent namin guys. Medyo makalat nga lang pero hanggang doon sa dulo yung tent. 5 tao yung kasya sa tent na to kasi malaki nga siya. But sure, later we're gonna go fishing, but right now I'm staying inside the tent because it's cold outside guys. Maybe like see 35 degrees here today in the morning, early in the morning. So I'm just chilling inside the tent because it's still cold. I already have like 3 layers of my clothes here, but still freezing though. So and I'm gonna clean up this mess over here and we're gonna do a little bit tour later outside. Yan yung lake. Yan yung lake. Good morning everybody, you're in my vlog.
Oh, hello.
Oh no, Joe, it's a little over far. The top of it.
Hi. Say hi to Double Shirt Dan.
Go get it, Joe.
Let's go. And I'm like, yeah, okay.
Slow alliteration.
Oh, no.
That was a bullseye. Hit dead center and bounced back.
Oh. Let's see where you're at.
Don't shoot me.
Well, I mean, it was a...
I don't know what holes were there.
Why is it too far?
Because it's too easy here, so I moved it further.
Oh, a little further and higher.
Yeah.
It's either this one or this one.
Yeah, how are we gonna hit that?
Yeah. You're to the left.
Oh my god, it's
One to the
cold.
right.
Clamp it to the tree. Could have taken some arrows.
Yeah, you could have. Oh no.
Oh no! It's coming. There you go.
Oh, I'm so sneaky. Oh.
Nah.
Oh.
It's right so crazy high, right?
Huh?
Oh
I
wow.
don't see any up here.
There's a couple left. Wait, sorry, you're right.
Oh, there's bouncy.
Okay, there's one more somewhere.
It's probably downstairs.
Oops.
Hey, what's up?
Close.
Back to where I was before the last shot.
Man, my hand's still like numb. It's cold.
Here.
So guys, ayan yung water filter. So guys, ayan yung view ng lake. Yan. And doon sa dulo. Hanggang doon sa dulo. So kahapon, hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos kasi umulan kahapon. So, yun. Yung mga kasama ko nandun na bumalik na sa tent kasi magluluto nga ng breakfast. Nandito ako ngayon, nag-enjoy ko yung araw. Ang ganda ng araw eh. Kalalabas lang ng araw kaninang umaga, sobrang lamig. Mga siguro 30 degrees ang lamig kaninang umaga. So ngayon it's better now. The sun is up. So yeah, it's warm already. So nandito ako ngayon sa kalagitnaan ng tent, tsaka kalagitnaan ng ng lake. Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Definitely we're gonna go back next year here, the same place and the same spot that we have for camping site, because it's really close to the lake and then it has a pretty nice view. Ayan yung mountain, guys. Ayan sa likod. Tsaka ang laki ng ano, ang laki ng rocks. Oh, ayan yung rocks. And then ayun yung lake. Ang ganda ng lake, diba? Ayun yung lake kung nakikita nyo, guys. Yan, ang lawak ng lake, boy. Uy, sorry, nasisinag ako. Ang lawak ng lake man, uy. Ayun yung lake, oh. But yeah, ang lawak, guys. Ayan. Yan. Lake. Tsaka ang ganda ng talaga. Oh, promise, ang ganda-ganda dito. Oh, babalik talaga kami dito next year. Kasi nga ang ganda. Ayan, guys, yung view. Ayan yung view, oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda mag-picture-picture dyan. Mga kasama ko hindi mahilig mag-picture-picture. Mag-picture-picture tayo nyan, guys, mamaya dyan. Ang ganda. Wala akong sunglasses, nakalimutan. Maya, balik na tayo sa tent, guys. Kasi kakain ng breakfast. Ayan yung view. Mag-ano kaya ako? Take ng one, picture ba? Ang ganda doon. Ayun, may nagpi-fishing doon. Mamaya magpi-fishing kami pagkatapos namin kumain ng breakfast. So, balik na tayo, guys, sa tent. And I will see you later. Ang ganda. Simula nung umaraw na, maganda nang mag lakad-lakad kasi hindi na malamig. Mamaya nito sobrang init na. Tanghali mainit, tapos madaling araw sobrang lamig, guys. Ang lamig. Yung kamay ko medyo pa hanggang ngayon numb kasi sobrang lamig nga. Kaninang madaling araw kahit kagabi ang lamig-lamig, uy. So I'll be back later, guys. Babalik lang ako sa tent, tingnan ko kung anong mga niluluto nila. Okay, we'll start cooking breakfast. So that's the sausage. Or like, I'm vlogging Kalay. Sausage is done. And one next?
Yep.
Eggs. Okay, we're heating the pan.
Using that phrase? Nope. Usually just put the sausage in and just keep it.
And
we can have
next
hot
is
eggs.
eggs. Let's drink coffee, guys. Woo. It's getting warm already. You're gonna buy this? Oh, let's see that.
Goodbye,
How many-
baby chickens.
How many eggs is that? It's almost
18?
a half of the pan. 18?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Those are all empty.
No, that one is still half. Is it?
There's all the seasoning.
So
All the
we're
seasoning should be
making
in
eggs
Some in white bags. No, no.
with cheese.
Small cooler.
There's a cheese
Yeah, small cooler.
and eggs. Woo.